Oga Lampard and Oga Sarri, una welcome.
Kobala.
My boy.
Sorry, you never still find job?
I know that look for job. I get plenty offers already, but I no wan rush anything.
Me sef, I want take my time so
Come on, Garara here.
No, I dey serious. Liverpool don't call me for interview now. Na me whenever.
I swear I go stun you sure.
Wetin dey worry you now?
This your lie no get conscience. Liverpool call you for job interview. Unless their future agenda na to the romance relegation or even qualify for championship.
Thunder fire you there. Kobala, abeg do your thing before I provoke.
Liverpool call you to come do interview. Make I shit Bitcoin.
Oh my God.
Senior men, the kind thing wey we dey see for football now, some of them dey surprising, the other ones dey really surprising. Covetry almost comot Man U for FA Cup on Sunday. Oga Sarri, how you see the match?
The name of that club they sound like one missionary school. I no even understand how them take reach semi-finals. After them equalize tele, I almost shit for pant when I dey laugh. It's like them wait for Man U to score tele so that them go feel like big club. As game one finish, them collect back all that goal where them give them.
Man U not supposed qualify.
If to say na you that coach them for no qualify na.
Respect yourself oh.
Sha, as them don't reach finals, it no really mean anything. The 5 was now give Chelsea. Now in Man U go download from Man City server.
What?
Speaking of 5, Oga Lampard, you watch that Arsenal-Chelsea match?
I no gree watch am complete. To watch Chelsea play match nowadays be like torture. As a former Chelsea player and coach, it really pain me say Arsenal of all clubs could do Chelsea this kind thing. I dey consider to stop watching Chelsea match. My heart dey do me somehow.
Them supposed to pay Chelsea for that match or Jackson not supposed to continue that match.
E better sef make we dey play 10 man than for that boy to dey strike for opponent.
Person talk say Jackson na the best striker for club wey wan go relegation.
No be lie, just imagine where Chelsea for there if to say them not mistakenly buy Palmer.
Sheffield and Luton for the users brag.
But I wan understand something. Wetin be the real reason wey make Chelsea dey play like this? Na the players abi na the coach?
As Oga Abramovich comot, I know say problem don come. Shey na this new management buy Jackson. Na that guy be Chelsea future. Him and Madueke and the other Yahoo boys. Palmer go soon frustrate comot.
Chai.
Beginning of season, person bin talk say City no fit carry EPL because competition don too much. Oga Sarri, how you take see the talk?
It don't spoil finish. It da even smell. It get something where people no really understand. For EPL, say competition done too much. Na for second and below. City there above the competition. Say them no carry am. Na say maybe pandemic happen that year. Or maybe them blink light for Nigeria for 1 year. Things will no fit happen on a normal day.
And the comot wey Madrid comot them for Champions League go only strengthen them for EPL.
Last, it go clear for people I say EPL na Farmers League. The only thing we go make City no carry am next year. Na if person assassinate Guardiola. If not, na still same result another year.